Is part 2, and I'm going to be showing you lots of shading techniques and just different ways to color this in. So the way that you color this in is up to you, all right, but I just want to show you a couple of fun things that you can do. So I really enjoy blending colors using using colored pencils. Haha. So I'll just show you a fun technique or two. I'll be using a combination of colored pencils and markers today. So this is a fun thing to do. You kind of start out darkest around the edges and then getting lighter towards the center. And Adeline, this is for you. I thought of you because I know that you love learning advanced techniques. Am I right? So, because she's just like my daughter who also loves learning advanced techniques. So this is just for you and for anyone else who is excited to learn. So now I'm throwing in some orange. And what color do you think should come next if I'm going progressively lighter? But I'm not doing a rainbow in this one, so I'm going to stop at yellow. I mean, this is my choice. I could make it a rainbow if I wanted, but in my picture that I'm making right now, I'm not turning this one into a rainbow. Instead, I just wanted to go progressively lighter. So I want you to notice that I'm coloring in all different directions, and I'm doing something called cross-hatching. Can we say that word together on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Cross-hatching, that's right. So in cross-hatching, we kind of move our pencil in different directions. All right, and we're getting full coverage, and we're creating variation, all right, gradation of color. All right, so I am going to stop at yellow, though. I think yellow will be my last color. So I did tell you guys that we're going to use a combination of colored pencils and markers, so I'm going to use markers for my next part, and I'll show you some fun techniques with that, too. Now, of course, the way you color this is up to you. I'm just here as a guide. I like showing you things. I've learned a couple of fun techniques in my time, and I just really enjoy passing them along to you guys. That's all. All right, I think what I'm going to do is come back and add a little bit of orange. So it makes a little bit more of a gradation. It's more gradual. And I want you to see the movement of my colored pencil, like the way I'm moving it, the direction, all that stuff. Okay, I'm happy with it. So now what I'm going to do is start my my marker technique, not my colored pencil. You already saw the colored pencil techniques. So again, how you do this is totally up to you. I'm probably really just going to do this one building in our video right now because I don't want to take up your time. I know that you guys are excited to move on, am I right? And do this for yourself. All right, I'm choosing my next color. Guys, with the markers, I just want to tell you, look twice because it could be that the cap on your marker is a different color than what the marker actually is, and if that happens, just let me know, and I'll do my best to fix it. So I just used a lighter color green here. Do you see that? It's just one shade lighter, but that one shade lighter does something pretty unique, doesn't it? I'll show you something else. So I'm looking at it, and I'm just thinking about areas I want to fix up. So I am going to go a little bit darker again with my colored pencil towards the edges. And this is really just going to make it pop. So you see how this really makes it pop? That's what I'm looking for. All right. Let's see. I mean, I can continue with this, of course. But I know, raise your hand if you're just really excited to work on your own picture. Excellent. Now I'm going to be working with each building with this much integrity. So think of each building as like its own piece of art, okay? So we're taking our time. On the count of 3, we're going to say goodbye. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye.